Welcome friends to another exciting story from the ancient Indian fables of the Panchtantra. Today, we are going to learn an important lesson from the story of the hungry jackal and the wardrum. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, in a dense green forest, there lived a clever little jackal named Gomaya. Gomaya was known for his curiosity and his knack for getting into all sorts of adventures. One sunny day, while he was exploring the forest, he heard a strange booming noise coming from a distance.
What could that be?
Gomaya wondered. His ears perked up and he decided to follow the sound. As he crept closer, the noise grew louder. Gomaya was a bit scared, but his curiosity pushed him to find out what was making such a loud noise. Finally, Gomaya reached a clearing and saw a huge drum lying under a tree. The wind was blowing, causing the tree branches to hit the drum, making a loud, thumping noise. Gomaya jumped back in fright at first, but then he slowly approached the drum to investigate. He sniffed around the drum and gave it a little poke with his paw. To his surprise, it didn't move or attack him. Gomaya realized that the drum was just a big hollow object that made noise when something hit it. He gave the drum a harder push and laughed as it made an even louder sound.
Haha, so this is what was making all that noise. It's just an empty drum.
Gomaya said to himself, feeling much braver now. Gomaya's laughter echoed through the forest. He was so relieved that the noise wasn't from a scary creature. He began to play with the drum, hitting it with his paws and enjoying the funny sounds it made. As Gomaya played, a wise old owl named Sadhu, who had been watching from a nearby tree, flew down to talk to Gomaya.
Hello Gomaya, I see you've discovered the mystery of the loud noise.
Hooted Sadhu.
Yes, Sadhu. At first, I was really scared, but then I found out it was just an empty drum making all that noise.
Gomaya replied. Sadhu nodded wisely.
You see Gomaya, sometimes our fears are much bigger in our minds than they are in reality.
Gomaya thought about this and realized Sadhu was right.
Thank you, Sadhu. I've learned that it's better to face my fears and find out the truth rather than being scared of the unknown.
Sadhu smiled.
Remember Gomaya, not everything that seems scary is actually dangerous. Sometimes it's just an empty drum.
From that day on, Gomaya was known not just for his curiosity, but also for his bravery. And so, the story of Gomaya the jackal and the wardrum spread through the forest, teaching all the animals that sometimes our fears are just like the empty drum, loud and frightening on the outside, but harmless and hollow on the inside. Remember friends, the moral of the story is often, our fears are much bigger in our minds than they are in reality. It's important to face our fears and discover the truth, for we might find that there is nothing to be afraid of after all. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tales from the Panchtantra. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.